What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Luna here, and as you can see, it's looking extremely good on this macro timescale, isn't it? It's incredible to think that people were buying Luna down here for like, what is this, 27 cents, 30 cents? I think there's a lot of people that actually bought it for less than that, maybe like 10 cents. So honestly incredible to see, just how well this thing's performed. You can see it's just up and to the right for the most part. Massive pump, big correction, and we're just making higher high, higher low, and now we've made that higher high again, haven't we? Moving to the upside and looking very strong. You can see our fib pull from the previous analysis here at around $22. We had that correction all the way down to around $4 here. Absolutely crazy. A really top quality project. You can obviously see the Fibonacci's working here. Resistance, support. We lose the support. We come back up. Resistance, support. Resistance, resistance, resistance. All these resistances getting broken here. We come up to our 127 extension. Resistance. Fall back to support, which is the previous all-time high. Obviously quite a lot of volatility throughout September. So we had a pump up. Correction down to $24. We come up to the 141, which is resistance. We come back down to the 127 as support, back up to the 141 as resistance. You can see this is really, this is just textbook really, isn't it? We get the breakout, we fall back inside of these fib levels here. You can see here, this is the all-time high. We fall back down, we come all the way back down to this swing low area at around $36, $37 where we get our pickup. And you can see a massive pump for Luna, almost up to $80. Absolutely crazy. Obviously a top quality project. And then we did roll over with Bitcoin, obviously looking quite bearish. Having that big capitulation, we come all the way back down to this previous swing high in and around this area here, which was at around that $53 level, the previous all-time high. And now Luna still looking extremely strong on the daily time frame. As you can see, it's just been going up and to the right pretty much the entire time. You can see here, coming up back up towards that 161 extension at around $66. It looks like it got up to around $65-ish and then got front run a little bit, having a little bit of a correction, but overall looking really strong. On our hourly time frame, you can see just how well all these levels are being respected. Really, really top quality analysis. The Fibonacci always gives you some decent levels to work with. You can see we had this kind of descending channel that we saw for a lot of cryptos in November, but once Luna broke out, it basically came all the way to the all-time high, smashed it, back tested it. We come all the way up. We have that big correction for Bitcoin. We see, Luna come back down, sweeping some support. We obviously lose a bit of steam up here, so we have the correction back down to the previous all-time high. And now looking as though, we're just having a bit of another renaissance back up towards this fib level here at around $66. So overall, Luna looking really, really strong in our opinion. Really not much to say about it other than that it's looking very, very strong right now. Obviously, the sheer amount of UST that is being printed, this obviously burns Luna in the process or locks it away if people are borrowing against Luna, which obviously, the circulating supply decreasing all the time, super bullish for Luna. And obviously with, ever going uncertainty around stablecoins like USDT, for example, Luna is coming through as that decentralized stablecoin that people can trust and want to use. And you can see, obviously the benefits of all that Luna being burnt are apparent here. The price just seems to be continuously going up. And it's looking like a very, very strong protocol right now. Obviously, Terra chain is going to be coming out with loads of new stuff soon. Hopefully, when the ecosystem starts to get fleshed out, more stuff can be done with Terra. It's going to be obviously extremely bullish in our opinion. So overall, Luna, a really top quality project. You can see how well it's performing right now. Just having a nice healthy correction on the hourly here. And realistically, we do think it's probably going to continue its performance because it's, it's an extremely good project, isn't it? So obviously, short-term price predictions then, if we roll over, heading back down towards this $53 level most likely, do something like this, maybe get that double bottom back test like that and then the reversal. And obviously moving to the upside, we want to be reclaiming this level here at $66.3. And then there is an all-time high up here at $78 that we do want to be heading towards over the next few weeks because, Luna is looking incredibly bullish right now, isn't it? So we would predict that probably it's going to continue its continue its slow rise back into the top 10, because I think it has slipped out of the top 10 for a brief period of time here, and basically heading back up because it's looking extremely strong, isn't it? So that's what we would say for the short term. And then longer term, we do have this fib pull, obviously, which we could probably lean on for a bit of advice here. If we obviously reclaim that 161, we've just got the 227 all the way up here at around $200, which is obviously an absolutely incredible price target for Luna. Really, really top quality project. Obviously, we do think this is probably going to be reached sooner or later. Realistically, we do think, you know, over the next 4 or 5 years, Luna could easily be over $1,000 a token, just because of the sheer amount of utility that it is providing. And obviously, once more and more people get on board, more UST is minted, more Luna is burnt and locked away. Obviously, that circulating supply ever decreasing. It's probably going to be very bullish for Luna in our opinion, and you can see, you know, just how well it's performed. We do think, you know, $200 for Luna doesn't seem that outlandish, to be honest, but we do think at least $100 by the end of the bull run, very, very likely in our opinion. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.